Here's how to use Automix on Spotify Smooth Song Transitions tutorial. Today I'm going to show you in just 2 minutes how to turn on Automix so your songs blend smoothly with DJ style transitions. If your playlists feel choppy or the tracks end too abruptly, this quick guide will fix that fast and make everything flow naturally. To start, open Spotify on your phone and choose a playlist that supports Automix. Spotify mainly uses Automix on curated playlists and personalized mixes, so pick one of those first. Play any song, then tap the queue icon to see the upcoming tracks. If you notice notes about transitions or crossfades in the queue, that means Automix is already active for that playlist. For smoother transitions, open Spotify's main settings and scroll to the audio section. Find the crossfade feature and turn it on. Adjust the slider to control how long the songs overlap, shorter for quick switches, longer for a more blended, continuous feel. Next, check the playback settings to see if Automix appears as an option. Some accounts have a toggle next to features like gapless playback and normalization. If you see Automix, turn it on. Once enabled, Spotify automatically blends your tracks, matching beats and fading songs together without any manual work. After you're done setting it up, go back to your playlist and listen through a few songs. You should hear clean overlaps and smoother transitions. If you don't notice any mixing, switch to another playlist that supports Automix or increase your crossfade time to make the blend more obvious. With Automix on, your music plays like a continuous set without awkward pauses. You don't need editing skills. Spotify handles everything for you, giving you a polished and uninterrupted listening experience every time.